All right, we are driving from Seattle to Ellensburg over the Snoqualmie Pass on the 90 freeway. And we're getting up there in elevation. This is everybody starting to chain up. We are in an all-wheel drive Subaru, so we are not going to chain up. But conditions, not too bad. It looks as though the road was very recently cleared. It was shut down not too long ago, I guess from accidents or collisions, but it is open now and we are rolling. So I'll let you know if it gets worse. Looks like we have a little bit of action, a little backup. The temperature's not really that low yet. It's only 33 degrees. So not too concerned about ice, but we do have traffic backing up, so I'm gonna guess somebody slid off the road or had a collision or something. It's 3 o'clock at the moment. That is the time that the snowstorm is supposed to be at its peak, so that's kind of cool. We are getting near the peak, at the peak, so hopefully we see some action up here. I'll let you know when this clears up or something happens. All right, we finally got to the front. We've got some kind of situation. The police just rolled up. I have no idea, but we're gonna try to get over. So I don't really know what's wrong. Doesn't see anything. And more traffic. So that was one little hiccup. And a sea of hiccups? Yeah. Oh, alright. Well, I guess we moved a little bit. Let you know what happens. So, update. We had a heavy wrecker go by us on the left with a police escort. So we are finally moving a little bit. But then one of the big signs overhead just said chains are required for all vehicles, including all-wheel drive. So I was told that if you had all-wheel drive, passenger vehicle, you don't need chains. So over here it says chain up or pay up, $500 fine. So we're gonna see what happens here if they let all of us just go, make us turn around, or fine us. No idea what's in store because I do not have chains. So well, this should be interesting, I guess. I think we're merging lanes here. Got a bunch of police. Not sure what the deal is. We got 3 lanes coming down into one. All right, they made us exit. Everybody over on the left, that's the freeway. That's who's allowed. Everybody else got pushed over into this lane, and a lot of people are chaining up. Apparently, even with all-wheel drive vehicles. I do not have any chains, so yeah. I guess I just get off. Maybe there's a place to get chains. We shall see. Oh, we got socks. Okay, so we had pulled off the freeway onto an off-ramp where they sent everybody that did not have chains and just kind of got stuck there on that off-ramp for a good 20 minutes or so, maybe 30. I don't really know how time is moving at this point. And then eventually we started moving, and Gina said she got a notification saying the 80 was, or 90, this is 90, right? It was open again, and all-wheel drive was okay without chains. So, and then they let us go through onto the freeway again. So we are now driving on the freeway. There's not a ton of people on it, and it's snowy. It's only 30 degrees. Well, it was 32 just a second ago. So I think there's 3 lanes here, maybe 4. I don't know. But driving's fine. It doesn't seem too slick. So that's all we've got at the moment. No big deal. This is pretty easy driving at this point. So we'll see what happens. Alright, we are making it down the mountain without any kind of issue. It's kind of cool out here though. So quiet. The road is pretty empty. Like, there's like 2 cars behind me. Or maybe you can see that. And really not much in front of me. So that's nice. It's 29 degrees at this point. So I guess this could be a little slicker. That's possible. Gotta be careful. So far the Subaru is doing great. But yeah, kind of a cool, eerie feeling up here. Right now it's not really snow anymore. It's more like freezing ice. Freezing rain. How about that? It is interesting to see people passing you on this stuff though. Like, just not a care in the world. Alright, we just passed Clay Ellum, and we've got about 30 miles left to get to Ellensburg, our final destination. And the roads are still pretty damn snowy. I thought it would dry up, but apparently it's snowing down here as well. So it's pretty easy to drive on. I have a feeling that's maybe a little false sense of security, but we're doing 40 miles an hour, and there's definitely there's a few inches of snow on the ground. So not a whole lot of traffic out here though, so that's great. If something does go wrong, less cars to hit. And yeah, pretty uneventful at this point. So we'll probably just drive it home and be done. If anything more interesting happens, I will let you know. But if not, thank you very much for watching.